How to download videos on Reddit. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download videos from Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you'll need to open up your Reddit. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, you can then simply tap on the search bar. I'll just search for a video, a really random video to download. So I'll tap on the first one, and let's say that I want to download this video. So what I do here is I tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the video, and there you will see download video option. Tap on download video and the video should start downloading. After you get the video is saved option, what you can then do is you can simply head over to your photos or gallery and you can check out the video. And that's basically how you download videos from Reddit. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.